welcome to my little home office. So I'll take you around the room, just showing you basically where everything is from. And then for anybody who wants to hang around and know a little bit more about how I organize my Etsy stuff and everything else, then I'll do that later. This is a room that I use for meditation, my Etsy orders, my journaling, if I just want to come and be alone and think about my life. This is where I come. So it's a bit of a multitasker of a room, shall we say. But yeah, this is my little room and it makes me really happy. So I'll take you around and yeah, let's go. So if you've been watching my videos previously, you might recognize some of the items already from previous apartments. So apologies, but I'll just go through them again. So this IKEA desk, the drawers are from IKEA, which I'm sure you've probably seen before. In every Pinterest picture you can probably find with home decor things. So the drawers are from IKEA, they're called Alex. I'll link everything down below. And then the top, because I like them quite wide, and I couldn't find a desk that I liked that was wide enough for me, because when I start writing and getting creative, I just need space. I'm really messy. So I wanted a lot of surface area, but also like a lot of leg room. So I got this little wooden thing, wooden panel, whatever you want to call it, desktop. It's from Bunnings in Australia. So I bought these separate. I went online and just measured this just to see. They had different panels, and I just like got my ruler here, got my measuring tape, and I just measured like in this room before I went to get the tabletop, just to see how it's gonna fit, etc. And then yeah, I went to get it and it fits perfectly, and the color's just like a natural wood, which I love. Now this chair is from, I'm out of breath for some reason, I don't know why. This chair is from IKEA. And our little pampas grass is natural. Then we've got, God, I feel like I've just run upstairs and I don't know why. These are Himalayan decorative stones, and they are from Kmart. I love Kmart. Anyone who knows me knows I love Kmart. And this is from either Target or Kmart. Forgive me, I cannot remember. Now this map is so cute. And this has personal meaning. So I fell in love with my boyfriend basically in Bali when we were both traveling alone on holiday, and that's why I got this from Mapiful, because you can personalize your little posters. I got this sent from them, and I chose Bali because it has a special place in my heart. So I just think it's really, 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 really pretty. You can change the colors and stuff. I just went with neutral because I'm just a neutral girl. I journal a lot on here, so I just keep my little, this is from Kiki K, by the way, if any girls are interested, guys as well. I usually keep my laptop in there if I'm not using it, and my notepad. My journaling book, this is actually not my journaling book, this is my visualization book, a manifestation book. And yeah, then I've got my candle, which is from Kmart, IKEA, which is just a pillar candle. And then this one is from Kmart, I believe. This is from Kmart as well. I feel like this is sponsored by Kmart, but it's actually not. I wish it was. This is from Kmart, and I just exchanged those out. It's really pretty when that's lit up, by the way. The lamp is from IKEA, and this is actually from Bali. I physically brought it with me. I love a dream catcher. This picture frame, which you would have seen before if you followed me for a while, this is from Desenio. They have the most beautiful things printed. I absolutely love their stuff. I could spend so much money, but have to be limited. This in the corner is a hanging chair, which I would just absolutely love to have next to the window so I could read, but the ceilings in this house don't support it. But my friend's got it for me and I absolutely love it. The carpets are not to my preference, shall we say, color-wise, but it's because we do not own this house, so we can't change the carpets really. But I've just got this rug from Kmart to do my best and cover it without spending too much money. And then I got this little meditation pillow from Kmart. That is my YouTube light, so just ignore that there, it's not even on. And this little cube shelf thing, which I'm sure, again, you've seen a million times. This is from this is from IKEA. I probably could be a lot more aesthetic when it comes to organizing all of this, but I just have to go with what's practical. Sometimes the most aesthetic things are not that practical and you end up making a huge mess. So that's just the way I'm doing it. And the mirror is from Kmart. I bought it recently. And my little Buddha head is from it's my boyfriend's, but I put it in here. And candles, of course, like everywhere. Yeah, so that's the layout of the room. That's how everything looks. I will go back again. Yep, and then now I'll show you basically how I organize everything. I am not the most organized person. I just want to get this clear. When I'm packing my Etsy orders, this whole floor is basically covered with stuff. This is covered with stuff. I've got boxes everywhere. So please don't be fooled by this organized room right now, because I am far from organized. This is just my kind of way of tidying up my room and dealing with what I can deal with. So I try to, sorry to go back and forth, I try to keep my personal stuff here, so any journaling, books, personal stuff there, and then this side I try to keep my Etsy orders. Doesn't always end up like that, but that's just the intention. So we'll start here. So this side I have, these go inside the gift boxes, so I've got various things written on here, like these are my most updated ones. I put these on the inside of my gift box, which I'll show you what it looks like, because I've got one here ready to go in the morning. So all my gift boxes basically look like this, depending on how much they order. And this lady ordered one of my little candles, which I love. I know they're really popular at the moment, so I make those, and I put at least one affirmation card inside, just about self-love and blah blah blah. So I put that in, and that's what I mean with the labels for the lids. They go there, and they always say a beautiful beautiful day starts with a beautiful mindset, which I love. Really simple, but I love it. So they all go in there. This is messy in here, and I really can't go into detail because it really needs to get organized, but I use pink and white paper for my gift boxes. So I actually just hang it on this rail, which is actually a clothes rail. But I just thought, oh, I can just hang it on there and grab it when I need it. And then I've just got like my actual boxes in here, but I can't show you because it's just too awful. In this one, I have all my product labels. I should really be more organized with this, but I'm just not that kind of personality. So this is just how I do it. I make all the labels myself. This doesn't usually look like this. I've tidied it up for the video. It's normally like a bit of chaotic. Again, I am not the best organizer. I just work with what I can. And these are just my affirmation cards. Basically what's inside the boxes, I put these in, and yeah, that's pretty much it. In here I have my label paper. So this is how I make my labels for my products. And in here I have my plain papers, any extra paper, etc, etc. And then, oh, this is the reality of me. If I don't have a drawer like this, just with everything, they'll all become like it. So I've got to have one messy drawer. That's just the way it is. I wish I was more organized, but it's just not me. This is like my YouTube stuff, so I just pop that in here, my camera stuff, random stuff. Maybe I have 2 drawers, and books, notepads, journals, etc. So this is before my labels go on, basically. So I'm still yet to label my products. This is not all of my products, but I'll just show you a couple. So we've got my little bath salts. These are pillow mists or room sprays, but again, before labeling. My bath dusts and my little candles, which I absolutely love. My milk soaks, again, before labeling, and my bath salts. My bath, what are these called? Soaps. And I'm absolutely loving these at the moment. They are really popular with new mums and stuff, so I'm packing lots of goodies with those inside. And then these, which I love too. And this needs to be thrown because this label has gone a bit messy. More products. And then I just like to keep everything out, because I am the kind of person who needs to see everything. So for example, I'm out of breath again, I don't know what's going on. For example, I need to see all my packaging because I will genuinely go and order more things thinking I've run out if I can't see everything. I need it all out because I know exactly how many I've got then. So I just keep everything visual, ready to go. Again, these have nothing inside, but I just need them out because I'm like, okay, I've got enough of those to survive. All my essential oils, etc. are going in here. My candle making supplies go in there. So basically, I don't want to be rummaging through different boxes to get individual products for my candle making. So I just put everything into a box. So I just pull it out, go to the kitchen, make my candles, put it back. Rather than like taking one item from there, one from there, one from there, one from there, and it just becomes a mess. Again, for my bath bombs, same. All my bath bomb stuff is in there. I just take it out, go make it, and then put it back. My boyfriend's gonna laugh at if he watches this video because he's gonna be like, you are so not neat. And I'm like, I know. And then my bulkier stuff is in here, like my Himalayan salt, just like bulky things. I just try to put it in there. And my soap making stuff is there. Again, just pull it out when I need it. So again, not the most aesthetic, but it just does the job. And sometimes when you focus on everything being like perfectly aesthetic, yes, it looks beautiful for pictures like on Pinterest and stuff, but it's just not practical and it's just not, doesn't work for me. So this is what we are left with. So that's my room. I hope you like it. I love coming in here to spend time. I put on my meditation in the morning, put like an incense there and just sit here and do my meditation. It's so lovely. And yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you want to see any more videos related to this kind of stuff. I don't know if people like watching it. And yeah, have a beautiful day. How cheesy was that? But just remember this because it's really important.